Alright guys, in this video we're going to teach you how to set up a DSLR booth event. So what I did is I just duplicated one of my last events, labeled it to the new one. I'm going to hit customize, and now I'm going to start replacing all of my images. So this one I'm going to delete. Down here I have my image, so I'm going to hit choose. I'm going to go onto my desktop because that's where I saved it. Here it is. So that's all I'm doing is just duplicating it, putting it into its spot. I'm only doing prints on this one, so I'm just going to leave that there and leave the rest of the settings the way it is. Now I'm going to go to my print layout, which is on the top, and I'm going to replace these. So I'm going to delete. Now I'm going to add an image. There's my new design. And this one I'm going to put, undo. I'm going to grab my background and move it over here to the corner, line it up. Okay, now I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side, but before I do that, I'm going to send this to the back. So I'm going to go send backwards, backwards, backwards. Looks great. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Double click and add this on this side. Go send backwards, and now I'm completely done. I see that little tiny white line, so what you could probably do is just like maximize this just like a tiny bit, or if you have a mouse you could probably do that a little bit better with the mouse. I think that's good enough. That will be the line. So I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna go over to, hold on, right over here. This is going to be printing to my secondary printer, which is my 2x6. And then just to show you, I'm not going to be doing 4x6 on this one, so I'm only going to be doing the 2x6, so that's the one I'm going to be doing. I'm going to uncheck this, and I'm going to set my printer size to the 2x6. I'm going to move over. It's asking me what options I'm offering, so I'm going to do the photo, and then the GIF, I'm going to upload the GIF template that I had made. So I'm going to just click on that, add image. There it is. I'm going to hit choose. Moving over to the next. Okay, that's fine. I'll do that after. Hey Gab, can you turn the camera on and off, please? So we'll go back to that option in just a moment. I'm not doing background removal. I'm going to go to my print settings. There it is. I'm going to configure my printer. I'm going to hit preferences. I'm going to set this up as a 2x6, so I'm going to enable my 2-inch cut. Hit OK, apply, print. I'm no longer using my secondary printer, so that's great. Now I'm going to go back to my camera settings. And I'm just going to do some setting changes on there. So let me go back. Oops, next one. Give me one. Yeah. Just had to disconnect my flash drive. I'm reconnecting the camera. Going back. I'm not offering this. Hey.
Is it like the same way as last time?
Yep, exact same way. So now what I'm doing, I'm just going to check my quality of photo.
Kids put in their number. I'm just waiting for a table. Oh, you need a table?
Yeah. I think I'll probably bring this up just a bit. And then once we set up our backdrop, I think we're going to be set. But other than that, we're ready to launch our event, and I have successfully set up my DSLR booth right before my event. Be sure to make sure you lock this so that nobody can get in or out of the app other than you. This will be my little exit button, and now that I'm ready to start taking pictures, this will be the template that is going to be displayed, and then we do 3 different pictures. And then this is where you, as an attendant, would adjust your lighting accordingly. Every event is different, so I'm not going to tell you exactly the settings I'm going to be using today. I'm still waiting for my backdrop to be completed, and then I will adjust my lighting. Also, I will double check my print with my DMP RX1 to make sure it's printing. Happy boothing, guys. Happy Halloween. If you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, and comment. Just the last thing, I want to show you the email, text, QR options, and the print options that the kids are going to have. They will also be able to access the GIFs as well as each individual photo as well. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.